Dear friends, today's topic is how to get good signal in your smartphone. The technique is quite simple. Just follow this video and use this technique. It is a very simple technique. Go to this button, phone button, where you can type the numbers, then put star 3370 hash, then send it. You will get a good signal. It will come as MMI complete. Okay, further you will get a good signal to your smartphone. Okay, this is one of the important technique that you can follow. Everyone can follow and try. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. You will get a good signal in your smartphone.